Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 disclosed at Galaxy Unpacked 2024, featuring wider, flatter screen. During the Great Galaxy Unpacked 2024 ongoing in Paris at the moment, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been unveiled with features and properties never seen or sought on even rival foldable from the biggest brands on the market. Much to the delight of many, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the latest iteration of Samsung's Z Fold lineup, will boast a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Fold 5. These dynamics are said to be complemented by 22.1:9 aspect ratio, whereas the preceding variant on the series came with a 23.1:9. This slight increment in the screen's aspect ratio should add to the natural slab-type experience when used in folded orientation. If overviewed to gauge its look, its design will be based on a bit more square and flatter surfaces. Samsung proclaims this appealing change to be achieved by the recycled rare earth elements, reminiscent of the Samsung Galaxy S24, which too featured some of its elements manufactured using the same eco-friendly strategy. The high-end Samsung foldable is designed from an improved form of armor aluminum to ensure 10% more scratch resistance. For the back panel and cover screen, Samsung said the handset comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Regarding its underwater durability, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a new IP48 rating. While the rating makes it no better than the previous model, it enhances its resilience in a bid to ingress from solid particles and small objects that are bigger than 1 millimeter.